Welcome back! In this tutorial, we'll explore the unique tones Engagex offers for crafting your LinkedIn comments, and we'll introduce you to the powerful AI Rectify feature. Let's dive right in. Engagex offers a variety of commenting styles to match your tone and style, allowing you to make every LinkedIn interaction personalized and impactful. Here are the 6 tones you can choose from. First, we have the Agree tone. This creates a short, positive comment, tailored to either a professional or personal style. Engagex will craft a creative and concise comment that praises the post and shows appreciation. Next is the Expand tone, perfect for when you want to add more depth to your response. Engagex generates a 25-word comment, full of thoughtful praise and human-like engagement. Feeling lighthearted? The fun tone adds a touch of sarcasm and humor to your comments, creating a playful yet positive vibe. It's perfect for engaging with a jovial twist while maintaining professionalism. The Perspective tone allows you to offer a new angle on the post's content. Whether you're suggesting an idea or simply offering a different viewpoint, this tone keeps your comments positive, supportive, and polite. Engage your network with thoughtful dialogue by using the Question tone. This tone generates a short, specific question related to the post, encouraging further discussion. It's professional, respectful, and always relevant to the content. With Personalize, you can customize your comment further, matching your unique style. Engagex creates a comment that mentions specific details from the post, making it feel personal and genuine. This feature allows you to show appreciation or relate to the author with your own experience, making every comment meaningful. Finally, the AI Rectify button is here to ensure your comment is perfect. Once you've written a comment, clicking AI Rectify lets Engagex refine and correct your comment for grammar, tone, and overall quality, giving it a polished, professional finish. With these tones and features, Engagex empowers you to create thoughtful, personalized comments that resonate with your audience. That wraps up our Engagex tutorial series. We hope these videos have shown you how easy it is to make the most of Engagex. Thanks for watching, and happy engaging!